Yo, what up? It's your boy Intangible Kicks. Just here to show you my newest pickup. This is the Air Jordan 3 Retro Cyber Monday from 2016. This pair is highly slept on, and recently this pair has actually hit the outlets of LA. I've been seeing videos from like famous channels like the So Brothers talking about the shoe at the outlet for $130. As you can see, I got this from StockX, got authenticity verified, and I got it for like 115 on StockX. After shipping, it's about the same price as the outlet. And yeah, since I don't really live near an outlet anymore, so I guess it's worth it to get this pair of shoes at the price at StockX. Okay, without further ado, let's look at the shoe. And the first thing I like to mention is that StockX promises all their shoes to be dead stock, and you can see that there's a little crease in the toe box right here and here, which means somebody has tried on these shoes prior and it's not really dead stock. But whatever, I'm gonna wear the shit out of these shoes. You know, this is gonna be my everyday shoe. It's very simplistic. You know, and Air Jordan 3, they say, is the most comfortable Jordans. And black and white matches with anything. I can wear this with like semi-casually with like a suit or a dress shirt, whatever, to work, to play, you know the deal. And yeah, this shoe is super clean. But as you can see, the right shoe, it's a lot more tumble than the left shoe, okay? Now, look at the right shoe, look at how tumble it is. It's already started to crease from like, I don't know, someone trying it on just because it's so tumble and soft. And the left shoe is a little bit more smooth. I don't know what's that gonna do to me wearing it. Look at that, that's a lot more smooth. It retains the shape, okay? Yeah, I'm curious to see like what that's gonna do to like me wearing them. And like both different quality definitely has different pros and cons. The pro is like the softer, more tumble, it's definitely more comfortable. But the bad thing is gonna crease, and it's quite noticeably. With the left shoe, it's not gonna crease as much. It's gonna retain its shape a little bit more. So I guess that's that. And I don't know if like being tumble actually means it's more comfortable. We'll see. I'll make an update video probably in the future. And yeah, I don't know why people slept on this so much, you know? It's like very simple, like very elegant colorway. But then again, the most iconic thing about the threes is the elephant print, which this shoe does not have, okay? This shoe just had the leather instead of the elephant print. And the leather quality is pretty good, even though it's different from each shoe to shoe. But yeah, I'm excited to try out this pair of shoe. And I guess thank you StockX, even though it's not that stock. Thank you, and screw you, maybe. Just kidding. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Once again, it's your boy Intangible Kicks. Like, comment, subscribe, and I just reviewed the Air Jordan 3 Retro Cyber Monday. Have a nice day. Peace.